Hi students, I am Prakash Badgir, Mathematics lecturer at SDM Engineering College, Dharwad. In this video, I am teaching one problem on surface integral. Here the problem is evaluate the surface integral f dot n ds over s, where f is the vector given by x square minus yz I plus y square minus zx j plus z square minus xy k, taken over the rectangular parallelepiped 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to a, 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to b, 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to c. In this problem, the rectangular parallelepiped is this, just a rough diagram, and x equal to 0, x equal to a, y equal to 0, y equal to b, z equal to 0, z equal to c are coordinate planes. As the diagram involves 6 faces, the problem involves 6 faces. Our surface integral equals the sum of the 6 integrals. The surface integral over S1 plus the surface integral over S2 plus the surface integral over S3 plus the surface integral over S4 plus the surface integral over S5 plus the surface integral over S6. In this, the 6 faces are P, Q, R, S, P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash, P, P dash, P, P dash, S dash, S, Q dash, R dash, R, Q, P, P dash, Q dash, Q, and R dash, R, S, S dash. So these are 6 faces, and equation to all these faces, all these 6 faces are x equal to a, x equal to 0, y equal to b, y equal to 0, z equal to c, z equal to 0. We calculate each of the surface integrals and add up all the integrals. We calculate each of the integrals S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6. ध्यान से सुनिएगा, as this is the calculation of surface integrals. On S1, in this I have taken S1 as the face PQRS, and its equation is x equal to a, and this plane is parallel to the plane P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash, which is YZ plane. So PQRS is parallel to the coordinate plane, is parallel to the YZ plane. So its equation is x equal to a. And I have taken S2, second surface, as P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash. Its equation is x equal to 0, because every point on YZ plane, every y coordinate on every x coordinate on YZ plane is 0. So its equation is x equal to 0. And plane parallel to, as the plane parallel to this is PQRS, its equation is x equal to a. So on S1 we have x equal to a and n is equal to I. Unit normal to the surface, they'll be in this direction. Normals will be in this direction. So in the direction of I, so n is equal to I. So n is equal to I. F is equal to, in problem we have f is equal to this. So in this we put x is equal to a. So f is equal to a square minus yz I plus y square minus az j plus z square minus ayk. So wherever x, we put x equal to a, so that f dot n, this into dot n is I, multiplying using the concept of I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, k dot k is equal to 1. As j dot I is equal to 0, k dot I is equal to 0, so only this into this I dot I. So what remains is a square minus yz. So f dot n is equal to a square minus yz. So the surface integral over S1 is equal to the double integral a square minus yz ds. ds is the projection on yz plane. ds is the projection on yz plane. So ds is equal to dy dz divided by n dot I. N is I dot I is equal to 1. So the double integral a square minus yz over 0 to b, 0 to c, y varies from 0 to b, z varies from 0 to c. So integrating with respect to dy, a square y minus y square z, y square by 2 z over 0 to b. On substituting 0 and b, we have this a square b minus b square by 2 z into, and the resulting integral is integrated with respect to dz, and that is equal to, next integrating with respect to dz between 0 and c, simplifying, we get a square bc minus b square c square divided by 4. This is a simple integration, very elementary integration. So this is how we calculate the surface integral. So surface integral over S1. Next, surface integral over second phase, that is on S2. On S2, that is S2, we have taken P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash. As its equation is x equal to 0, we put x equal to 0 in F. And n, unit normals will be in this direction, in the negative direction of x-axis, that is minus I. So on S2, we have x equal to 0, n equal to minus I, and in F, in F, we put x equal to 0. Putting x equal to 0, we have this, and so that f dot n is equal to, this is f dot n. So j dot I is equal to 0, k dot I is equal to 0, minus plus yz. So the surface integral over second surface is equal to the double integral f dot n is yz, and ds is the projection on yz plane, dy dz divided by mod n dot I. I dot I is equal to 1. Modulus of any value is positive, so is equal to the double integral of yz with respect to dy dz between 0 and b, 0 to c is, so first integrating with respect to dy between 0 to b is b square by 2z, and next integrating between 0 to c is b square c square divided by 4. It's a very simple integration, very elementary integration. Next on S3, next we calculate third surface. Third surface, we have taken p dash s dash, p dash s dash, yes, we have taken this third surface. So that is in the direction of y-axis, positive y-axis. So equation to this is y equal to b. Equation to this plane is y equal to b, which is parallel to xz plane, coordinate plane parallel to xz plane. So its equation is y is equal to b. So on S3, we have y equal to b, n equal to z. So unit normals will be in the direction of positive y-axis. So n equal to z. So in F, we put y equal to b, and n equal to z, so that f dot n is equal to b square minus zx. You follow the same procedure as discussed earlier. Therefore, the double integral f dot n ds over S3 is equal to the double integral b square minus zx dz dx between 0 to c, 0 to a. So first integrating with respect to dz between 0 to c, substituting upper and lower limits, we have d square c minus c square by 2 x. A very elementary integration, very single time integration with respect to dz. B square integration with respect to dz is b square z minus z integration with respect to dz is z square by 2 x as it is over 0 to c. On substituting c and 0, we have this b square c minus c square by 2 x, and integrating this with respect to dx between 0 to a, simplifying, we have a b square c minus a square c square by 4. So this is S3, calculation of S3. Next, S4. S4 we have taken q dash r dash rq, q dash r dash rq, that is in the opposite direction of y-axis. Normals will be in the opposite direction of y-axis, that is n equal to minus j. So equation to xz plane is y equal to 0 and normals will be in the opposite direction of y-axis, that is minus j in the opposite direction of j. So n equal to minus j. So in f we put y equal to 0 and f dot n is equal to, this is f. On putting y equal to 0 in f, we have this and into minus j. So j dot j is equal to 1 minus minus plus zx, as k dot j is 0, I dot j is 0. So f dot n is zx. So therefore the surface integral over S4 is the double integral f dot n is zx, and ds is the projection on zx plane or xz plane. So dz dx dot by mod n dot j, n is minus j, so minus j dot j is plus 1. So integrating with respect to dz, so both the limits of integration are constant. It is immaterial whether we integrate with respect to dz or with respect to dz or with respect to dx. Integrating with respect to dz between 0 to c, we have this c square by 2 into x dx. Integration of this, so integration of x dx is x square by 2 between 0 to a, simplifying a square c square by 4. This is S4. Next, we calculate fifth surface. So that fifth face we have taken p dash q dash q. Please observe the diagram, look at the diagram. p dash q dash q, that is in the positive direction of z axis, in the positive direction of z axis, that is n is equal to k. So and equation to that plane is z equal to c, n equal to k. In f we put z equal to c, putting in z equal to c in f, we have this and dot n is k. So as I dot k is 0, j dot k is 0 and k dot k is equal to 1, so f dot n is equal to c square minus xy. Therefore the surface integral over f dot n ds over fifth surface is the surface integral c square minus xy, and ds is the projection on xy plane. Projection of this is on xy plane, ds is the projection on xy plane. So dx dy, x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to b. Integrating with respect to dx between 0 to a, we have this very elementary integration. Take x and integrate with respect to dx between 0 to a, substitute upper and lower limit, we have this. The resulting integral is integrated with respect to dy between 0 to b. So a b c square minus a square b square by 4. So this is S5. Lastly, sixth phase we have taken r dash r S S dash, R dash R dash R S S dash, that is in the opposite direction of z axis, opposite direction of K. So equation to this is z equal to 0. Equation to the xy plane is 0, as every y coordinate, z coordinate on xy plane is 0. We have z equal to 0 and n equal to minus k, that is in the opposite direction of z axis. In f we put z equal to 0 and dot n is f dot n is equal to xy. Therefore the surface integral over S6 is the double integral xy, f dot n is xy dx dy, ds is dx dy. So integrating between 0 to a is y, integrate with x with respect to dx is x square by 2. You keep y constant, so y into integration of x dx is x square by 2 over 0 to a, and the resulting expression is integrated with respect to dy between 0 to b is a square b square by 4. So this is S6. Adding up all the integrals, we get first surface calculation is a square bc minus b square c square by 4. Second surface calculation is b square c square by 4. Third surface calculation is a b square c minus a square c square by 4. Fourth surface calculation is a square c square by 4. Fifth surface calculation is a b c square minus a square b square by 4. And sixth surface calculation is a square b square by 4. Add up all these, we get, some of them get cancelled. What remains is a square bc plus a b square c, this plus this plus this. That is, of all this, ABC is common, ABC into bracket a plus b plus c. This is how we calculate the surface integrals. Thank you.